Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to solve your E48-32 DSTV problem. So whenever you see this notification on your DSTV screen, whenever this notification pop up, I'm doing some experiments over here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This notification, whenever this notification pop up on your DSTV screen, E48-32, there is no signal. This may be due to bad weather or a faulty connection in the installation. So whenever this notification pop up, the first thing you need to do is to check your cable, your signal cable at the back of your DSTV decoder. You need to check it whether it has been loosed, so you can remove it and then refix it back into the LNB port at the back of your decoder to make sure that your cable has been well fixed. And then if you are still experiencing the same problem, still the notification is on, most of the time the decoder will be freezed, so you can reboot, you can off the decoder and on it again. After on it and then you are still experiencing the same notification is on your screen, you need to pick up your remote. You look for the DSTV logo, the blue button here, you press on it, it will take you to DSTV menu. You look for help. You are going to find your signal strength, whether you are having a less quality signal. So you come down, you come to help, and then you come to general information. You are going to check your signal strength. So you come down to tuner status over here. Use the arrow down keys. When you put it on it, you press OK to enter. So here is the signal quality. Most of the time when your signal quality is below 50, maybe 40% here, it won't work. So you are going to experience that notification on your screen. So whenever you see that you are having signal quality which is below 50% over here, then you can go ahead to point the program that the program is from the dish outside your house over there. So either you can just go there to pan it, or you can call an installer to do it for you. So whenever you come here and then you see nothing over here, maybe it will be like this. It will be something like this. Most of the time you are having a quality signal, but someone have changed the settings on your DSTV installation widget. So you need to make sure that the settings in your DSTV widget have been well organized. Maybe someone have changed it accidentally. So you need to go back to menu, then you look for settings, then you come down to satellite settings. Come to home network over here, you press OK to enter. Okay, so when you come here, you come down to launch installation widget over here to check whether your installation are well organized. So when you are living in these listed countries over here, Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia and Zimbabwe, you are going to choose these satellites and then you press OK to move ahead. And then when you come to this page, you move it down to manual setup and then you press OK. So you come here, the LNB type, you change it to universal. Most of the time it will be like this. So you change it to universal and then you press OK to continue. So you put it down to scan, and then your tuner status will be showing. If still your tuner status is not be showing over here, then you need to check your dish over there. So if you are not living in the listed countries, you need to change your satellite to E36B over here, then you move ahead with the same steps. You come down to manual setup, you change it to the LNB type to universal, you come down here. If still your tuner status are not filled up, it means that you're having a problem with your disk outside there, so you need to call an installer to check it out for you. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and then you hit notification bell. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's stop.